Country Club journey. So shall we have a beautiful presentation? 12th International Yoga Day rocks. We all are going to...
Wait.
Everybody,
Look straight, all of you, look
along with
straight.
me.
Look straight.
Look straight.
And now we're all set for the yoga. Start by the universal Om chanting. Along with me, everybody. And exhale. Once again. And exhale all the negativity, all the stress. Could we lower the volume? Once again, inhaling. Really want to connect with your inner being, mind to relax. This is not an intense workout. This is a time for you to relax. Your back, exhale, tuck your chin to your chest. Exhale a little faster. Inhale. Inhale. Inhale once again. Arms all the way up. Stretch. From there, let's go into a high plank. Now, if the high plank is not easy, you can go in a lower plank, easy plank. You can rest your knee. From there, let's go into the upward facing dog.
అయిపోయిందా
Again. Down. And now bring your knees down. Open out your knees. From there, relax for a while. Stay. Once again. And ready for the next journey? Ready for the next? We're all warriors here. Yes? Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And from there, without any towards the side. Okay? Alignment. If this is okay with you for now, great. Otherwise, you can stretch your legs a little more. Open out, palms facing up, going down and looking towards the left. That's your warrior two. Show me some strength in your legs, not just the body. Show me more strength of your mind. Legs normally and pull this pose for 1 minute with me. Let's work on the strength of our legs, the lower body. Yes? We focus to a point on the left. And come back. Other side. The right toes towards right. Front foot, yes. All the way up, palms facing up, everyone. Let's gather energy from the universe first. हम ना सबसे बड़ी गलती करते हैं. Palms down. And then the palms go down. And we focus on one point to the right, everyone. Don't look forward. My people on the stage, my hold this pose with me. All of us are warriors. Hai ki nahi? Are you? And one last time, take a deep inhale. Bring your palms together. You can open your eyes, rub your palms, and slowly, with the heat of your palms, massage your face.
एक महीने करो, आप बाकी सारी चीज़ें भूल जाओगे। सो आप पद्मासन में बैठेंगे। अभी आपको कपालभाति, आपको सिर्फ झटके से एक्सेल करना है। एक्सेल as many times as you can do, little force. If you can do this exercise 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, it depends on you. I guarantee you this works. Next exercise, Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom doesn't only give you Vilom every single day. You'll have lots of clarity in your mind and thoughts, and you will have laser focus in whatever you do in your life. So let's start. Thumb on your nose. You can start any side. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale from the other side. Breath has to come from the stomach, through the heart and the nasal.
Yeah, fantastic year for us. Like our good friend was mentioning just now, we have become zero debt. I think only 3% of the companies in the world have achieved this status during the COVID times, and Country Club is one amongst them. And after having achieved the zero debt status, we have gone into the expansion mode through franchisee route, and it has become a huge success. You must have seen our photographs in Bangkok, Pattaya, Phuket. In fact, today morning we had a huge celebration of yoga in Phuket, and we are trying to grow globally now. So we are very focused on our growth plans, and I'm sure, I think, given the circumstances, we will definitely get into the big league this coming year. And I wish all the best to all the people who have been supporting Country Club right from the beginning. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dolisha here, and I'm truly humbled to be here at Country Club today in Hyderabad, celebrating 12th International Yoga Day, truly fulfilling the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji. And I would like to thank Mr. Rajiv Reddy for organizing this beautiful event here. That look at him, he has such a great personality, such motivation. I met Mr. Rajiv Reddy about 1.5 years ago, and since then he's been motivating me through his photos, his videos, his personality all the time. So I would like to invite all of you people to please do join this celebration, yoga celebrations, because we are Indians and it's our ancient practices which now go to Western world and then come back to us. Let's not do that. This is our roots. Yoga is our tradition. Let's embrace it. Let's go down to the roots again, and let's truly be the person who can know everything about yoga, who can just make it our lifestyle, because yoga is a way of life. It's not just stretching and bending and twisting and turning. So let's make yoga our way of life, because it doesn't only fulfill and make your body fit, but it gives you immense mental clarity to lead your life the way you want to. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Vedvika. I'm an actor. So today we are celebrating International Yoga Day in Country Club, and I believe everyone has to do yoga at least for 10 minutes at their home or anywhere they'll get the time, because yoga meditation is very important. It's important for mind, sleep, everything. तो मैं सबसे ये रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि दिन में खाली 10 मिनट निकालिए योगा के लिए, मेडिटेशन के लिए, and you will see the changes. Stay healthy, stay fit.